Do you like ToFu? What about MoFu or BoFu? Not sure if I'm talking about food or something completely different. While these abbreviations might sound like foods or TikTok cooking trends, they're actually stages of a marketing strategy that focuses on a consumer's journey to being a customer. ToFu means top of the funnel, MoFu is middle of the funnel, and BoFu stands for bottom of the funnel. If ToFu is like meeting someone at a party, MoFu is like going on a few dates. And then BoFu is like entering into a committed relationship. Okay, so what do these stages really mean? The buyer's journey starts at the top of the marketing funnel. At this stage, you just want to make people more aware of your brand. You're casting a wide net to boost brand awareness and get people accustomed to seeing your name. Expect less than 5% of your audience to convert. You're not hitting people with calls to action that drive them to purchase a specific product or service. You're simply gently nudging them towards your brand's offerings. You're establishing yourself as a name people trust. It's the getting to know you phase. Think of it as introducing yourself at a party. You want to make a good impression, so you keep the conversation pretty light. Since you're casting a wide net, you're going to rely on organic search, social media, and email marketing. Research from Search Engine Journal shows that the most effective ToFu content types include how-to guides, landing pages, and infographics. The middle of the funnel, or MoFu, consumers have a general idea of what your brand offers. Now is your opportunity to nurture qualified leads from the ToFu stage by teaching them why they should choose your brand over your competitors. So you've met someone at a party, you've hit it off, now you're going on a few dates. This is the MoFu stage. Consumers at the MoFu stage know your brand and are thinking about maybe making a purchase. This can take some time though, as people weigh their options and consider whether they want to actually commit. Email marketing stands out as the most effective strategy still. Referring to Search Engine Journal's research again, we see that 72% of marketers use email marketing in the MoFu stage. Nearly 70% use organic search, and 52% use social media. You'll likely get the best results by publishing success stories, product overviews, and case studies. People at this stage want to know how others benefit from your offerings and want to think about ways that they can benefit similarly. Give them examples so they can feel comfortable spending money with your brand. We've reached the bottom of the funnel. BoFu is your opportunity to personalize your content and push those leads to convert. Amazingly, only 14% of marketers prepare BoFu content. About 50% of them will take time to cultivate leads with ToFu materials, but most don't make that final effort often needed to convert those leads into customers. You don't want to fall into that group that doesn't finish the job. Make content that encourages leads to take advantage of free trials or sign up for demos. Tutorial videos and detailed case studies also work well at the bottom of the funnel because they give leads more insight into how they can use your products. Ultimately, you want consumers at the BoFu stage to convert or start talking to your sales team. If you can reach those goals, you've done an excellent job. And we're at the bottom of the funnel, so your job's done, right? Not quite. It's best for brands to set their sights beyond the BoFu stage. Publishing useful videos, tutorials, and use cases helps keep your existing customers engaged so they stick with your brand instead of exploring alternatives. You can also encourage customers to invest in more of your products and services. They already know you, so they're primed to spend more money. Additionally, you still have plenty of leads that didn't convert at the bottom of the funnel. Why give up on them? As long as they remain receptive, re-engage them with regular emails and targeted marketing. You never know when they'll start exploring their options again. If your brand stays top of mind, it gives you a good chance of converting leads that didn't originally choose your product. That's it. The concept isn't all that complicated. You simply want to think about the unique needs of consumers at different stages of your marketing funnel. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel where you'll get more videos about digital marketing, marketing data and analytics, data visualization tips and tricks, all that great content you need to become a better marketer.